In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The conclusion of the official visit of the Minister of Higher Education to Oman with significant achievements for Afghanistan. The acceptance of the credential of Afghanistan's ambassador in Moscow by Vladimir Putin. And Trump says it's Ukraine which is hindering the peace agreement, not Russia. Welcome to the news package. It's Thursday, the 25th of Rajab al-Marajah 1447, the 25th of Jadid 1404, and the 15th of January 2026. The news details. The three-day official visit of Sheikh Nada Mohammad Nadim, the Minister of Higher Education of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, to Oman has concluded with notable academic, educational, and diplomatic achievements. Hafiz Ziaullah Hashemi, the spokesperson for the Minister of Higher Education, stated that during this visit, Minister Nadim held meetings with officials of Oman's Minister of Higher Education and paid visit to several reputable universities in that country. In his meetings with Omani officials, discussion focused on the significance of academic memorandum of understanding, bilateral cooperation, and the strengthening of the educational relation between the two countries. Minister Nadim also held separate meetings with officials of Oman universities where they discussed expanding scientific cooperation, exchanging experiences, developing academic programs, and enhancing scholarly relations. He further visited laboratories, libraries, and classrooms of those universities. During the visit, Sheikh Nada Mohammad Nadim met with Sheikh Ahmad bin Hamad al-Khalili, the Grand Mufti of Oman. He also met with Afghan nationals residing in Oman, listened to their concerns and demands firsthand, and assured them of cooperation in addressing their issues. Kremlin has announced that Russian President Vladimir Putin today, Thursday, the 25th of Jadid, is receiving the credentials of a number of foreign ambassadors in Moscow. According to the statement, Moulavi Gul Hassan Hassan, the ambassador of Afghanistan to Moscow, is among the ambassadors presenting his credentials to Russian President. The news continuation. Mustaqfir Gurbuz, the spokesperson for whose provincial administration, stated that Department for Promotion of Virtue, Prevention of Vice, and Hearing of Complaints in the province has rescued around 150 women from domestic violence, forced marriages, and other social problems since the return of the Islamic Emirate to power. According to Gurbuz, those actions were carried out as a result of the continuous efforts of the religious inspectors and within the framework of the commitment of protecting women's rights. And ultimately, the US President Donald Trump has told the Reuters news agency that it is not Russia, but Ukraine that is obstructing a peace agreement. In an exclusive interview with Reuters, Trump stated that Russia President Vladimir Putin is ready to end his 4-year war in Ukraine, but Ukraine President Vladimir Putin Zelensky is preventing such an agreement. Speaking about Putin, Trump stated that, "I think he's ready for a deal, but Ukraine is less prepared for an agreement." That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wishing our decent viewers a blessing Friday. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.